Hi, this is John Criswell. Welcome to Manufacturing Marvels. Igneous rocks form when hot, molten rock crystallizes and solidifies. The melt originates deep within the earth, near active plate boundaries or hot spots, then rises toward the surface. Igneous rocks are divided into two groups, intrusive or extrusive, depending upon where the molten rock solidifies. More than 25 years ago, in Winder, Georgia, the Hardrock HDDP Corporation was established to serve the fast-growing directional rock drilling market for the Southeast to combat the extremely abrasive igneous rock embedded within the region. Hardrock specializes in directional drilling assembly, hammer manufacturing, opening holes, and pulling and placing utilities. Hardrock is an innovative company pioneering the highest efficiency process and equipment available within their industry. With more than 100 years of combined experience, all of their employees are trained with hands-on experience and are more than competent to handle any job. Hardrock prides itself in solving problems and will go where no other directional rig has gone before. Their system offers the fastest drilling through the hardest rock, while using less drilling fluids, reducing costs and environmental effects. Hardrock offers complete drilling services, drill conversions, and training, including, but not limited to, underground utility drilling and installation, residential and commercial projects, hole opening, pipe drilling, and directional rock drilling. Hardrock also offers a full-service machine shop and fabrication department featuring custom manufacturing, reverse engineering, research and development, metal fabrication, and rental equipment such as compressors, drill rigs, and drilling equipment. See the pros at Hardrock and visit hardrockhddp.com. This is John Criswell from Manufacturing Marvels.